Have you ever felt overwhelmed by your thoughts? So many ideas, but no clear way to organize them? What if you had a tool that could transform your scattered thoughts into a structured masterpiece? Imagine a world where your creativity flows effortlessly, where brainstorming is not a mess, but an exciting journey. Today, we introduce you to a game-changing tool that will revolutionize the way you think, plan, and create. This is Wondershare EdrawMind. Wondershare EdrawMind is a powerful mind mapping software designed to help you visualize ideas, structure your thoughts, and boost productivity. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a creative thinker, this tool makes organizing complex information simple and intuitive. Click here to install the software. You can also find the installation link in the description. The installation process takes less than a minute, and once you sign up for a new account, you will be greeted with your personalized dashboard. From here, you have two options. Start from scratch with a blank mind map, or select from a variety of ready-made templates. If you're short on time or need inspiration, the Map Gallery offers categorized templates, including education, work, and personal life, making it easy to find one that suits your needs. For instance, if you want to create a mind map for your business plan, you can quickly locate the appropriate template by using the search box. Simply enter a keyword, and EdrawMind will automatically present you with relevant templates. Once you've found the right one, select it and click Duplicate. The template will instantly generate a structured mind map for you, ensuring efficiency and ease of use. Upon creating your mind map, a toolbar will appear, offering quick customization options. You can modify fonts, block shapes, borders, layouts, and branches. Rearranging your mind map is effortless, and to edit text within a box, simply double-click and make your changes. The intuitive interface ensures that editing and modifying your mind map is seamless. Another standout feature of EdrawMind is its multiple viewing and editing modes. You can switch between the classic mind map diagram, text outline mode, and the convenient Kanban view. Additionally, one of the most impressive features is the ability to convert your mind map into slides, enhancing your workflow and presentation capabilities. In the Insert section, you can enrich your mind map by adding images, including AI-generated pictures, branch numbering, links, tables, symbols, and more. The Page Style section allows you to customize your mind map further by selecting themes, colors, textures, watermarks, and even drawing elements. Advanced options provide even more flexibility. What truly sets EdrawMind apart is its powerful AI-driven features. With AI-powered mind map generation, you can create detailed mind maps with a single click. Simply type in your prompt and click Generate, and EdrawMind's AI will produce a structured, comprehensive mind map in seconds. Once generated, you can edit it just like any other mind map, adding or modifying elements as needed. The AI even enables automatic question generation and translation into multiple languages, making it an invaluable tool for international projects. Beyond mind map generation, EdrawMind's AI assistant can provide insights, summarize mind maps, create articles, offer translations, and much more. This functionality significantly enhances productivity, making it easier to organize and optimize your workflow. As mentioned earlier, EdrawMind is not just a mind mapping tool, it is a comprehensive AI-powered productivity solution. In addition to mind maps, it can generate images, audio, and even videos, all within a single platform. A particularly impressive feature is the ability to instantly convert a completed mind map into a presentation-ready slide deck in PDF or PowerPoint format. Simply click Convert to Slide, and EdrawMind will handle the rest, even allowing you to choose your preferred slide theme. Why choose EdrawMind over other mind mapping tools? The answer is simple. It combines cutting-edge AI features, an intuitive user experience, and stunning visual customization options. Whether you're brainstorming individually or collaborating with a team, EdrawMind serves as the ultimate productivity booster. In summary, EdrawMind by Wondershare is the leading AI-powered mind mapping tool to watch in 2025. If you're looking for an intelligent, user-friendly solution to enhance your productivity, this should be your top choice. Want to try it yourself? Click the link in the description below to experience EdrawMind for free on your device. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.